Hey guys, welcome back to Angeli's Math Desk. In today's video, we will be again continuing with the topic of linear equations in one variable. Now, the first topic in today's video we will be covering is reducing equations to simpler forms. Now, I will be doing multiple examples with you so as to solidify all these concepts. So, under the topic of reducing equations to simpler forms, our first example is solve 6x plus 1 over 3 plus 1 equals x minus 3 over 6. Now in this case, let's start with multiplying both sides by 6. We get 6 times 6x plus 1 over 3 plus 1 equals 6 times x minus 3 over 6. Here the 6 and 6 gets cancelled. In this case, we're left with 2 times 6x plus 1 plus 6 equals x minus 3, which turns out to be 12x plus 2 plus 6 equals x minus 3, which turns out to be 12x plus 8 equals x minus 3. And now we transpose x to the other side, and 8 to RHS, we get 11x equals minus 3 minus 8, which is 11x equals minus 11, which implies x equals minus 1. And now we can check if this is the correct solution by plugging the value of x into our original equation. So in this case, our LHS is 6x plus 1 over 3 plus 1. That will be 6 times minus 1 plus 1 over 3 plus 1. It's minus 5 over 3 plus 1, which equals minus 2 over 3. And now, similarly, our RHS is x minus 3 over 6, which is minus 1 minus 3 over 6, which is minus 4 over 6, which is minus 2 over 3. So we see that the LHS is equal to RHS, therefore x equals minus 1 is the correct solution to the equation provided to us. Now the next question is solve 5x minus 2 times 2x minus 7 equals 2 times 3x minus 1 plus 7 over 2. And now in this case, let's first simplify the LHS and the RHS before we start solving this equation. So in this case, our LHS is 5x minus 2 times 2x minus 7, which is 5x minus 4x plus 14, which is x plus 14. So our LHS is actually just x plus 14. Similarly, we will solve the RHS, and our RHS is 2 times 3x minus 1 plus 7 over 2, which is 6x minus 2 plus 7 over 2, which is 6x plus minus 4 plus 7 over 2, which is 6x plus 3 over 2. So our RHS is actually just 6x plus 3 over 2. So now, plugging the value of LHS and RHS into the original equation, we get LHS equals RHS, which implies x plus 14 equals 6x plus 3 over 2. And now we will solve this. Transpose 6x to the other side, minus 5x plus 14 equals 3 over 2. And now transpose 14 to the other side. We get minus 5x equals 3 over 2 minus 14, which is minus 5x equals 3 minus 28 over 2, or minus 25 over 2, which implies minus 5x equals minus 25 over 2, which actually turns out to be x equals 5 over 2. Now let's check if this is correct. Our LHS was x plus 14, which is 5 over 2 plus 14, which turns out to be 5 plus 28 over 2, 33 over 2. And RHS is 6x plus 3 over 2. 6 times 5 over 2 plus 3 over 2, which is 30 over 2 plus 3 over 2, which is 33 over 2. We see that LHS is equal to RHS, therefore x equals 5 over 2 is the correct solution to the given equation. Now moving on to the next question, we have n over 2 minus 3n over 4 plus 5n over 6 equals 21. In this case, let us first find the LCM, or the least common multiple, of 2, 4, and 6. That will be 2 times 2 times 3, which is 12. Therefore, let's start with multiply both sides by 12. We get 12 times n over 2 minus 3n over 4 plus 5n over 6 equals 12 times 21. We have 6n minus 9n plus 10n equals 12 times 21. And now solving all of this, we get 6n plus n equals 12 times 21, which is 7n equals 12 times 21, which implies n equals 12 times 21 over 7, which implies n equals 36. Therefore, n is 36 for this question. 3t minus 2 over 4 minus 2t plus 3 over 3 equals 2 over 3 minus t. Now again, let's try to simplify both sides. Our LHS in this case is 3t minus 2 over 4 minus 2t plus 3 over 3. And upon simplifying this, we get denominator of 12, 3 times 3t minus 2 minus 4 times 2t plus 3. Now simplifying this, we get 9t minus 6 minus 8t plus 12 over 12, which is 9t minus 6 minus 8t minus 12 over 12. And now simplifying this, we get t minus 18 over 12. So this is our LHS. And now if we substitute this back into the original equation, we get t minus 18 over 12 equals 2 over 3 minus t, which is equal to t minus 18 over 12 equals 2 minus 3t over 3, which is t minus 18 equals 4 times 2 minus 3t. T minus 18 equals 8 minus 12t. Moving t's to the one side, moving t's to one side and the numbers to the other, we get t plus 12t equals 8 plus 18, which is 13t equals 26, which implies t equals 2 in this case. Now let's solve some more questions together. Simplify and solve. 3 times t minus 3 equals 5 times 2t plus 1. So simplifying the LHS, we get 3t minus 9, and we get an RHS of 10t plus 5. Now we know that LHS is equal to RHS, therefore 3t minus 9 equals 10t plus 5. And now transpose 10t to the left-hand side and minus 9 to RHS. We get 3t minus 10t equals 5 plus 9, which is minus 7t equals 14, which implies t equals minus 2. And now the next one is 0.25 times 4f minus 3 equals 0.05 times 10f minus 9. In this case, we can simplify the LHS, which is 0.25 times 4f minus 3, to be 25 over 100 times 4f minus 3, which is also 1 over 4 times 4f minus 3, which gives us the LHS of f minus 3 over 4, or 4f minus 3 over 4. And similarly, our RHS of 0.05 times 10f minus 9 can be written as 5 over 100 times 10f minus 9, which is 1 over 20 times 10f minus 9, which gives us RHS value of 10f minus 9 over 20. And now we know that LHS is equal to RHS, therefore 4f minus 3 over 4 equals 10f minus 9 over 20, which is 5 times 4f minus 3 equals 10f minus 9, which is 20f minus 15 equals 10f minus 9, which equals 10f equals minus 9 plus 15, which is 6. Therefore, f is 6 over 10, or 0.6. Therefore, f is 0.6. Now, moving on to a different topic, which is equations reducible to linear form. Now, let's understand this topic by solving the following question. Solve x plus 1 over 2x plus 3 equals 3 over 8. Now, what can be done in this scenario? In this case, we can start with getting rid of the denominator, getting rid of the x in the denominator. So how can we get rid of the x in the denominator? We can start with multiplying both sides by 2x plus 3. Therefore, what do we get? We get x plus 1 over 2x plus 3 times 2x plus 3 equals 3 over 8 times 2x plus 3. Now this gets cancelled and x is gone from the denominator. Now we're left with x plus 1 equals 3 over 8 times 2x plus 3. And we've solved many equations of this sort before. So we can simplify this, and it'll turn out to be 8 times x plus 1 equals 3 times 2x plus 3, which is 8x plus 8 equals 6x plus 9. Now transpose 6x to the left-hand side, and we transpose 8 to the right-hand side. We get 8x minus 6x equals 9 minus 8, which is 2x equals 1, which implies the value of x is 1 over 2. And now we can check if this is correct by substituting the value of x into the original equation we had. LHS for us was x plus 1 over 2x plus 3, which will be 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 plus 3, which is 3 over 2 over 1 plus 3, which is 3 over 2 over 4, 3 over 2 times 4, which is 3 over 8, which is the right-hand side. Therefore, x equals 1 over 2 is the correct answer to the given question. Now let's solve the next question, which is 8x minus 3 over 3x equals 2. We can, again, just like we did before, we can start with multiplying both sides by 3x. We get 8x minus 3 over 3x times 3x equals 2 times 3x. We get rid of the x from the denominator completely, and we're left with 8x minus 3 equals 6x, which implies transposing 6x to the other side. We get 2x minus 3 equals 0, or 2x equals 3, which implies x is 3 over 2. Therefore, the value of x in this case is 3 over 2. Now let's move on to the next question, which is z over z plus 15 equals 4 over 9. Again, now we have to get rid of the z in the denominator in this case. We will start with multiplying both sides with z plus 15. What will we get? Z over z plus 15 times z plus 15 equals 4 over 9 times z plus 15. Now z gets eliminated from the denominator and we're left with z equals 4 over 9 times z plus 15, and now we can definitely simplify this. It turns out to be 9z equals 4z plus 4 times 15. Transpose 4z to the other side, we get 9z minus 4z equals 4 times 15, or we can say 5z equals 4 times 15, which implies the value of z is 12. So z equals 12 in this case. Now let's move on to the next question. Our next question says the ages of Harry and Henry are in ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. Now first, let's look at the ratio of 5:7. From that ratio, we find out that Harry's present age is 5x, and similarly, Henry's present age is 7x. Therefore, 4 years from now, so 4 years into the future, Harry's age will be 5x plus 4, and similarly, Henry's age will be 7x plus 4, correct? And now, according to the question, we have been given that 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. So the ratio of their ages 4 years from now will be 5x plus 4 over 7x plus 4 equals 3 over 4. And now we can solve this. We will start with eliminating x from the denominator. And for that, we will multiply both sides by 7x plus 4. We get 5x plus 4 over 7x plus 4 times 7x plus 4 equals 3 over 4 times 7x plus 4. Now the x is eliminated from the denominator, and now we are left with 5x plus 4 equals 3 over 4 times 7x plus 4, which is equal to 4 times 5x plus 4 equals 3 times 7x plus 4. Simplifying this, we get 20x plus 16 equals 21x plus 12. And now transpose 20x to the RHS and 12 to the LHS. What do we get? We get 16 minus 12 equals 21x minus 20x, which implies x equals 4. So therefore, using the value of x, we can now plug this value of x into Harry's present age and Henry's present age expressions and get the values of their ages. So in this case, Harry's present age was 5x, which is 5 times 4, which is 20 years. And similarly, Henry's present age is 7x, which is 7 times 4, which is 28 years. Now moving on to the last question of this video. We have denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 17 and denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 over 2. Find the rational number. So in this case, we have the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. Let's say that the numerator is x, which implies denominator is x plus 8, right? So technically our rational number, according to that, would look like x over x plus 8, correct? But now we're given that if the numerator is increased by 17, so numerator increased by 17, which means x plus 17, and denominator decreased by 1, which is x plus 8, minus 1, which is x plus 7, the ratio or the number that's obtained is 3 over 2, which means, according to the question, x plus 17 over x plus 7 equals 3 over 2. Now we can easily solve this. We will start by multiplying x plus 7 to both sides to eliminate the x. So multiply x plus 7 to both sides. We will get x plus 17 over x plus 7 times x plus 7 equals 3 over 2 times x plus 7. So now we have eliminated x completely. And now we are left with x plus 17 equals 3 over 2 x plus 7, which is 2x plus 34 equals 3x plus 21. And now transpose 2x to RHS and transpose 21 to the left-hand side. We get 34 minus 21 equals 3x minus 2x, which implies x equals 13. And now plugging the value of x back into our original question, we get that the numerator is x, which is 13, and the denominator is x plus 8, which is 13 plus 8, which is 21, which implies our rational number is x over x plus 8, which is 13 over 21. So this brings us to the end of our video. If you guys do like my video, please do not forget to like and share this video. Also do leave a comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video ever again. Also, if you have any other questions with regards to other math topics, please do leave them in the comments down below and I will get back to you on those as well. Bye for now.